So when I came here, I was a BDIC major. That's a bachelor's degree with an individual concentration. My concentration was educational television. What I really wanted to focus on was how the stuff that I do via production work or writing can impact people that were from communities that I was from. Growing up, I didn't really see a whole lot of, black and brown people on TV sort of teaching me. I saw a lot of PBS growing up, and being Puerto Rican, born on the island, coming here at a young age, I kind of wanted to have that, representation sort of reflected, not only just at face value, but also just the cultural aspect of what was being presented to me. So when I made my major, I decided that I wanted to take more control over what I was learning, what I was going to be studying. I kind of related to a line in a Jay-Z song from his album, The Blueprint. He has a line that says, how does it go? He said, "No lie, just know I chose my own fate. I drove by the fork in the road and went straight." So for me, that kind of represents what BDIC was like. When you're presented with a couple different paths, BDIC really lets you just sort of forge your own and choose your own and make your own way. And so I'm forever thankful for getting the opportunity. And it was also a great resume builder, because when someone sees on your resume, oh, what does BDIC or bachelor's degree individual concentration means, I automatically have to start talking about myself and how cool the stuff it was that I was doing. So that helped too.